What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another course video in the Ecom Lab. Now in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys 4 ways to increase your conversions after you launched your Facebook ads campaigns for your products. All right, so for all the people that's been testing your products, you might have a product that hits or a product that misses. And so if your product is actually missing and you're not getting any sales, or you're just getting not enough sales right now, this video will definitely help you guys increase your conversions, making sure that your customers have that opportunity to purchase your products. Now, before we get into the content, guys, I want to make sure that you guys are getting the full experience of this course. And so I created a dropshipping Telegram chat in the link in the description. As you can see on the screen here, guys, we have a whole bunch of guys in here that are, communicating back and forth, trying to bring success within their dropshipping store. And it's a really fun group, especially when everyone is literally trying to, have the same goal. Everyone's trying to be successful in this ball game, especially in 2021. So if you do want to get the full experience of this course, make sure you join the Telegram chat in the link in the description. All right, so this dropshipping store so far has made $1,200 in the month of February, which is really nice. We're off to a firing start. If we look into this week, we've hit $1,200. Yesterday we hit $139, and then today we've had a slow day with only 1 order. Now, from the time that we launched our ads, from the 25th of January all the way to February 6th, we hit a gross sales of $1,800 so far on the Shopify store, which is insane. We are almost at $2,000. Like I said, we're hitting people's salaries so far. It's just crazy how much money you can make with Shopify. That's what gets me really excited and going whenever I'm working on my Shopify store. Here's the conversion rate with 4%. We had about 6% and 7% reach the initiate checkout stage. So we do need to increase our conversions even more. I do think that we can take this to 6%, 10% with the things that I'm literally going to show you guys in this video, which is going to be pretty awesome. Now, I want you guys to check this out as well. About in the last 30 days, about $500 have been left behind during the checkout, which is really important because that means we're leaving money on the table. That means that customers are finding things on our Shopify store that they're unsure about, and we need to fill those voids with things that are actually going to increase our conversions with the things that I'm going to be showing you in this video. So let's not waste any time, guys. Let me show you the first thing that you need to be doing on your Shopify store during the testing phase. Now, what you need to do, guys, is literally increase the attraction of your ads. So one question I want to ask you guys is, which ad would you buy? Would you buy from ad number 1, or would you buy from ad number 2? With ad number 1, it has about 177 engagement. The second ad has about 378 engagement. Again, which ad would you buy? Obviously ad number 2, right? It has way more likes, way more comments, way more reactions. That's the power of persuading somebody to buy your product. Like I said, you want to increase your engagement on your ad, and that's going to help your conversions. Now, the way that we're going to be doing this, guys, is to create an engagement ad. Now, you need to create 2 ad sets at any budget so that you can boost the ad and boost conversions. Now, you don't have to start off at $5 a day or $10 a day or even 20 or 100. Whatever works for you, you can do that, because at the end of the day, this engagement ad is made for boosting your engagement for your ad. So it's not as necessary, but it is something that's going to help your Shopify store. Let me show you guys how to create your engagement ad. So we're gonna go into the ads manager very quickly. Then we're going to, as you can see, I have my engagement ad here. But what you wanna do, guys, literally is duplicate your conversion ad, okay? You wanna duplicate your conversion ad 1 time, duplicate it, and Facebook will give you an option to where you can change your optimization goal, okay? So here's your campaigns here. As you can see, now you can go in and change from conversions into engagement and literally hit continue. And all you literally have to do is publish the ad. Okay, that's all you got to do. Publish the ad, and then once you publish the ad, you can go into your budgets, because they might be a little bit higher than what you want to spend. Because like this conversion ad, once I duplicate it, both ad sets are at $10 and $20, and so I don't want to spend $30 a day on the engagement ad. Maybe I just want to spend $10 to $5 a day, right? So go in there, change the budgets, publish it. It's going to have all the same audiences, all the same ad sets. That's all you got to do, and it'll increase your conversions instrumentally, guys. Doing this will literally help you get the consistency that you need to increase your sales. Like for this store, guys, we started the conversion ad around, I think, the 2nd of February. As you can see, for the last couple days, we've increased our volume over time. We went from $129 to $199, then we went up to $464 in one day, which is crazy. And then the last couple of days have been really rocky just because we're getting closer to the weekend and advertising cost has been increasing. So we're losing a little bit of that bid, but that's okay. I expect it to go back up. So you guys got to keep that in mind. It's going to be a rocky stage, man. But as long as you follow the things that's actually going to help you, then you'll be in the right direction. All right, so let's move on to the second way to increase your conversions. So the second way, guys, is you want to go on your Shopify store and you want to incentivize some offers and discounts. And so what you want to do, guys, is go to your header. And once you go into your header, at the top, you see that we provide worldwide shipping. Well, that really doesn't tell people to say, hey, we got something that's going on over here. Make sure you check it out. Otherwise, you might miss out next week. Okay, so what we need to do, guys, is just say free shipping till midnight. Boom, that's it. Or you can add a little bit more and say buy 2 and get 25% off. Boom, that's 2 things that a customer will say, hey, I'm getting a good deal here. I need to buy this product, otherwise I'm gonna miss out. I can't afford to go to Walmart or go to another Shopify store and thinking they're gonna offer the same type of discount. So you can't go wrong with free shipping, guys. You can't go wrong with offering discounts. Again, that's gonna help you increase your conversions over time. The next thing that you need to do, guys, is look at your product page and see the things that you need to improve on. Maybe you might not have a video that the customers need to watch for your product. Maybe there's no demonstration. Maybe there's no steps for your product. Maybe your customer just needs a little bit more info. And so make sure you have all the necessary things on your product page. Again, go to other competitors and see what they have on their product page and kind of add it to your own product page and formulate it to where you can, showcase your product. Now, another thing that you need to do, guys, is measure your price range. So if your price is too high, maybe customers just aren't willing to purchase your product. So bring your price a little bit lower, try the 5% rule, bring the price 5%, then, keep downgrading the price every time until you get the consistency that you need. And then you can start working your way up. So you got to find the right price point so that your customers can actually, afford your products. If you, like I said, it's not all about making crazy amount of profit. Sometimes the product in the market, that's the price range that you need to be sticking with at that moment in time. So you need to understand that and test out your prices. Now, the last thing that you need to do, guys, is to change your shipping. Now, with the shipping, guys, a lot of y'all probably have offered a shipping rate. So maybe you're charging $4.99, $2.99, $9.95 or whatever the case may be, guys. You need to offer free shipping if you want to increase your conversions. A lot of people have went to the checkout, they're putting their information. Once they see the shipping, they bounce. And you don't want that to happen. So like I said, with mine, if we go back to the homepage, if we look at the notes here, Shopify is literally telling me in the last 30 days, customers have left behind $500 during the checkout. So I need to increase my conversions and do the necessary things to make that happen. It's very easy to do, guys. Literally just go in here. You can literally delete all your shipping zones and create another shipping zone. So in this one, you could say free shipping. You could do domestic. Doesn't pull up. Let's just type in United States. Once you put United States, hit done, go down here. You can add a rate for it and just say free standard shipping and just put that as free and then hit done, save it, and that's literally it. Now your store offers free shipping. So those are the 4 things that you need to do on your Shopify store to increase your conversions during your testing phase. Now, in my next video, guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to scale your products. A lot of y'all want to scale so bad. I understand you want to scale, but in this ball game, you just got to be patient, man. Like if you're not patient, you know, you're gonna mess up your store. Your ads just aren't gonna be capable of running the high volume of a big budget. So you need to take your time, guys. Understand the metrics. A lot of y'all are beginners, and so you need to groom your Shopify store. You need to take that time so that by the time you get to like 3 weeks, 2 weeks, or whatever, you just scale your store with no problems. Because once you scale your store, a lot of things can happen. It can go up, it can go down, and we don't want our business to go down. All right. So if you did enjoy this course video, my camera is about to die actually. If you did enjoy it, make sure you like this video. I did want to get this video in as fast as I can. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you can get notified for all the videos that I'm going to be dropping in the next 12 days. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Let me know your picks on who's going to win the Super Bowl, Kansas City or Tampa. Me personally, I'm going to go with Tampa, but we'll see what happens. I will see you guys on the next video.